that bitch.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so it's like really late, but I'm bored. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do an eyebrow tutorial because I always get a lot of requests on how I do my eyebrow. So yeah, I just did it really quickly. And yeah, so stay tuned. Alright, so right here, what I'm doing is showing y'all my BH Cosmetics palette, the black shade. I can't find my eyebrow pencil, so I'm just using this and it works like really well. Like this is my first time using it and I was like shook by like the way it worked. But yeah, and makeup also has no rules, so y'all can do whatever y'all want. And I'm actually taking like light strokes, sortly, a little bit. I mean, y'all can see what I'm doing, but you want to focus more so like in the middle and then drag it to the back and like not really bring it up to the front. Yeah, so like I was saying, like take light strokes and don't like really bring it up to like the front of your eyebrow because it's not going to look natural. Like you said, mine's look kind of natural. Okay, so right here what I'm doing is I'm about to conceal it with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. And with this step, you want to be like really careful and take your time because like this is what's going to make your brow pop. Like take your time is what I'm saying. Then I was talking some stuff, like don't mind me. All right, so we're just going to clean the top up like how we did the bottom, and we're going to do the side. All right, all I'm doing is just blending out the concealer so it looks more natural. All right, so this is the finished product. It was very easy, very simple. One brow is thicker than the other one, but who cares because I'm not even going nowhere. If you want your brow to pop more, you could use a highlighter in your brow bone. It's really cute. I do it all the time. So yeah, like and comment anything you guys want to see. And until next time, as always and as usual, we keep it classy and we stay lit. So yeah.